Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial we are going to see how we can get a user input in Python. So without further ado, let's get into it. Basically, the developers often have a need to interact with the users, either to get data or to provide some sort of a result. So most programmers today use the dialog box as a way of asking the user to provide some type of input, while Python provides us with two inbuilt functions to read the input from the keyboard. So the first one is a raw input and second one is a input. So by using these functions, we can take some input from the user. So as you can see in this example asks for the username, and when you enter the username, it gets printed on the screen by using the print function. In this example, we have used the input function. So this function takes the input from user and then evaluates the expression, which means the Python automatically identifies whether you entered a string or a number or a list. If the input provided is not correct, then either it will show the error or exception is raised by Python. Let me show you how to use input function with some simple example. So this is a Python command line. In this example, we are going to get the username as an input and we will print it on the screen by using the print function. So for getting the input, first we have to create one variable. So in this case, our variable name will be username equals to, and then we need to use the input function. So just type input, and in bracket we have to give some string which will appear while getting the input from the user. So we will say like, please enter username. So this string will be printed whenever we are trying to get the input from user. After that, hit enter. As you can see, it is asking for the username. So we will add some username here, and again for printing the username we will use the print function, some string which will say like the username is, and we are going to get the plus operator and just type username. So after hitting enter, as you can see we're asking for the username as a input, and when we enter the username, it's get printed on the screen because we have used the print function here. So you might ask how this input function is working in Python. So when the input function executes, program flow will be stopped until the user has given an input. The text or message display on the output screen to ask a user to enter the input value, which will be optional. Whatever you enter as an input function converts it into the string. If you enter an integer value, still the input function convert it into the string. So we need to explicitly convert it into an integer in your code using the typecasting. Our next function is raw input. So this function works in the older Python versions. This function takes exactly what is typed from the keyboard and converts it into the string, and then return it to the variable in which we want to store. So the input function is equivalent to the raw input function, except that it assumes the input is valid Python expression and returns the evaluated result for you. So I hope you understood how to get the user input in Python using the input and raw input function. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also ring the notification bell to get the latest updates.